C'est une onde de choc. En France, Nicolas Sarkozy est condamné à 3 ans de prison, dont 1 an ferme. L'ancien président a été reconnu coupable de corruption et trafic d'influence dans l'affaire dite des écoutes. Le tribunal correctionnel de Paris a suivi les réquisitions du parquet national financier.
Former French President Nicolas Sarkozy sentenced to jail in historic ruling. Français la nyatonko ikafamiya ko Nicolas Sarkozy ikatolo moti miyalonko kiti bonde ye lapiro la kan yaje ko molamati miyalonko abita bunja otole. French court on Monday sentenced former President Nicolas Sarkozy to 3 years in prison for corruption and influence peddling.
The pride we take in our brand, the work we put into constantly change the landscape and elevate real estate in the Gambia, it's compared to none. From inception, our goal was to add value to the beautiful Gambian landscape. That's why we are proud innovators of community estates. Kololi Sands is an exceptional piece of work, tailored for ultimate convenience and luxury, to bring you an element of finesse that is rare but unique in its own. This is also our pride and joy, and we welcome you to the exquisite beauty right here in Kololi and right here on the waterfront. Kololi Sands, feel the ocean breeze at your doorstep.
Ramadan, Ash-Shahru, Ramadan, the month of peace is here, and I wish you well. Promotion. Send or receive your items through French Touch and get one of the following items: rice, sugar, onion, oil, and many important items that one can need in the month of Ramadan. Mbadi wolo French Touch wole nyim promotion kudima natale nang iko nyin karo horomari umi yalon ko ikafa ko sun karo French Touch ko bakaso kaki Italia andum fanan kela bakaso ta Italia. French Touch ko imari isa fen sotono jele mumboko mano tulo jabo aning feng koten mu yalon ko sunkaro kono molka sulela French Touch komi albe yalo nyame itel ka kontena la ki kamola joral bonde tubabu du kasambe Gambia banko kan niba Gambia banko kan fanan ise fen soto no jele fen kendol mi yalon ko na bunko no joral aning fen koten mi yalon ko na haramadiya ko non titano mansula wo fen la French Touch na tete la manga sando albo fen soto la jele French Touch ko ni la bakaso ki waranto tete la bakaso taje waranto tata bakaso sanje ibe fendile la mi yalon ko abe mari kontanin la kendeke tulo bo kono jabo bo kono mano ba kono tamareli bije anim fen koten mi yalon ko nka sulela na dunia balu kono soko sunkaro kono French Touch ali kacha nyoya atelmi yalon ko albe Gambia banko kanga ali kacha nyoya plus 220-315-2384 waranto ila headquarters mi yalon ko ila bumba mi yalon ko abe France banko kanga plus 336594-33820 French Touch itele nata purka baluo sone andi Gambia dingul be Ramadan Ash-Shahru Ramadan, the month of peace is here, and I wish you well. Marhaban ya Ramadan.
Hello wonderful viewers, wonderful subscribers. This is Active TV again for another fast and a quick update. Mbadi ngolo mbalbe kontona mbalbe jala mbalbe bismillah la koteke Active TV pour kana kibaro bonde nan koteke mi yalanko akabo dunia tonkon nano bekanga. CNN is reporting that a French court on Monday sentenced former President Nicolas Sarkozy to 3 years in prison for corruption and influence peddling, but suspended 2 years of the sentence. Mbadiolo a CNN wale nyin kibaru kibar janjan der bundalong miyalong ko idarajata dunia kono kendeke CNN iko France la kota wale felenti ye la piroke ila former president na wala ila president kotote ikafami yako Nicolas Sarkozy ikate sanji saba yole diala abe munkela bunja oto katung ay muneke walam ada bula corruption wala kana walam ka nafulo sunya walanto ka kuol ke mi yalon ko in lual manta anim fanan ka kuol ke ka firol ke ka feol dundi ke findinde France kono amuka lansin sotela iko nyinon kolti miyalonko wallam daliloti miyalonko walatina ye Nicolas Sarkozy yate ke prison yake bunjaoto. President from 2007 to 2012, he was found guilty of trying to illegally obtain information from a senior magistrate in 2014 about an ongoing investigation into his campaign finance. The judge said Sarkozy did not need to serve time in jail. He could serve the sentence by wearing an electronic bracelet at home. Mbadingulu iko Nicolas Sarkozy ateketa moti miyalonko kiti bundanying iko atemoti miyalonko iba soronale bar sorondiro mumunyende iko Nicolas Sarkozy ala nyin sanji sabo atake la bunja woto bari ikaba kele mintole ala bun kono wala be kala la bunja wo nyindo bari ibe mun kala wala mo ibe bracelet la kala bala bracelet electronic bracelet naliyo moy wala ika fenne ke bala miyalonko ibe dawo danding ise kala lonno idunta ko kundindo Isalono. The 66-year-old is the first president to have been sentenced to jail in France modern history. Nicolas Sarkozy ikatolom France la president foloti ibamun sentence la wala moti miyalonko ibamun sambala bunjaoto. The Paris prosecutor had requested a 2-year prison sentence and a 2-year suspended sentence for Sarkozy and his co-defendants, his lawyer Thierry Herzog and a former magistrate Gilbert Azibat. Herzog and Azibat were found guilty and handed prison sentence. After a lengthy investigation and legal entanglement, the trial began at the end of the year. The judge handed down Sarkozy's sentence Monday afternoon in front of a full courtroom. Mbadingulu iko nyin kisikisiro akita kisikisiro timiyalonko alo jamfata kendeke bari alo nata banga akonyin felandi sign abanta iko Nicolas Sarkozy ye liparo katela walam ye sentence o katela nyin tenelunga iko nyin kuobe kela wotumo kotrumo nyin kono walam kidio nyin teta damen mobe siari nje ko jebe faring tep. It began in 2013 when investigators bought a phone belonging to Sarkozy and his lawyer Herzog in the context of an inquiry against Sarkozy. Ambadi ngulu ikonyin kolbe damuta 2013 sankono mol mi yalon ko wala be kiskisiro la iko ye kiskisiro damuta munna wala ma telefono mi yalon ko Nicolas Sarkozy atam telefono nyinde anala lawyer ikava mi yako Herzog biribe kiskisiro la Nicolas Sarkozy la quote. They discovered that the two men promised senior magistrate Gilbert Azibat a prestigious position in Monaco in exchange for information against an ongoing inquiry into claims that Sarkozy had accepted illegal payments from L'Oréal Hermes Lilian Bettencourt for his successful 2007 presidential campaign. The former French president arrived to hear the final verdict in the corruption trial on Monday. Mbadingulu Nicolas Sarkozy iko atenala lawyer biriela telefono nyili sote bulu inata kuol faham ko molle mu nyimmo floti mi yalonko ye promiso di wala ye mola hidi mi yalonko atemu a magistrate Gilbert senior magistrate wala mati e ko hala hidi position to mi yalonko wala be Monaco bring Sarkozy abala kato beke kan wato muna 2007 pour kala presidential campaign nyinke nyameng abala fa warata mbadingulu president wala tna isi nyafanang monyanda ka kiskisiro ko fanana balafa warata kendeke bari nyin ko natel mi yalon ko albi video jube kan alsa comment no al yafo nyamuna tel la mirode Sarkozy molamati mi yalon ko corruption yate tumi wala corruption wala ka ndesan ka kuna muroke iko yate tumi wala anim fanan ka jula yake ka fengol dundi ke findinde France kono amansula pamit la komi symbole bala dorong akeke adal mi alon galbe video jibe kan alsa fonye ale mune mira nyin koto Nicolas Sarkozy ikate molti mi alon ko koti aje ko anyanda soron nale bar soron diro momo e ko brasle e bole kala bala ay si suokono ala drinko min ala subo domo ayela Cairo e tinyang mbadingolo a bala fawarata fuarol niol muta e kata wal sindi bunja odo bari ni mu fankamadi hani mun kuriyalake isita si ila suokono ibe subo domala inila dimbal be sering ine nyaabe nyokan nyimu kulate mi yalan ko abala fawarata kendeke binga nyin kibaro le sotalie former French President Nicolas Sarkozy sentenced to jail in historic ruling. Francella Nyatonko ikafami yako Nicolas Sarkozy ikatolo moti miyalonko kiti bunde ye lapiro lakan yaje ko molamati miyalonko abita bunja otole. French court on Monday sentenced former President Nicolas Sarkozy to 3 years in prison. Nganyina sotalie bi, this is Active TV Update.
Le président et son avocat étaient alors sur écoute et les juges les soupçonnent d'avoir essayé d'obtenir l'appui du magistrat en échange d'un coup de pouce pour un poste à Monaco.